Howdy, folks. It's Thursday morning, June 18, 2020. We're looking here at the what'll eventually be a family room. So, just a lot of stuff. Yesterday we were out on the boat with the grandkids, and so we got some beach toys and like this stack here. That's the hard maple that'll be for window and door trim. There's some cherry. This is the 2-inch cherry that'll be the top for a cabinet. And then I've got some 5/8 drywall down there, and then a bunch of poplar, and over on that end is cherry. So anyways, this is just a lot of stuff. It's more disorganized here, seemingly disorganized, because I've had to move a lot of tools and the like out of the workshop to make room. For instance, there's my table saw. I just want to give you an idea what we've been working on in here. I've got this wall substantially done. I wanted to have plywood all along there so that I can hang stuff, much like I've done over on that wall. But this has really gotten out of control, and I needed to get that wall studded up and insulated. And then you can see I have a bunch of outlets. My plan is to take this door that I've probably had for over 35 years. It's a solid core door. What I'll do, and I've got it up about 42 inches off the ground, I'll put that over there. And then on this wall, which is the garage wall, I'll eventually build some cabinets so that I can put power tools and the like in there. That wall, which is the outside wall, will get insulated and studded up, and I'll treat that just like I've done this west wall. Yesterday my grandson and I worked on, we put in from this point down, we put in 2 sheets on the bottom, and so we had to cut for all of these outlets. Before he came, I had moved this outlet to here, and that actually was over there. This is for the sump pump. Good thing I was telling you about it. So what I got to do now is take a sheet and cut for that. I got the same deal down here. I got to cut for that, and then I think that's about 9 inches all the way across, and fill that top in, and then everything can get moved over and I can start doing stuff. So I had them yesterday, 6/17/2020, ZGW. Up here I had him marked when he started, 6/17/2020, start 9:30 a.m. So we had a good time. We worked on this about 2.5 hours. And so it was nice working with him, and we just had a good time. Thanks for following our progress.